In today's video, I will explain Submagic AI pricing plans and the features included so that you can decide which one is right for your needs. I will also share a coupon code that will get you a discount, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get started, you can use the first link in description and create your free account if you don't already have one. You can see Submagic allows you to test the platform for free using 3 free videos. This is a great way to try the tool before deciding whether you want to upgrade. Now let's begin with the starter plan. The starter plan is designed for individuals who are just getting started with video creation. The price of the starter plan is $19 per member per month. This plan allows you to create up to 15 videos every month. Each video can have a maximum duration of 2 minutes. Next, you receive 3 AI credits every month, and these can be used to generate AI videos and AI images. Now let's go through everything included in the starter plan, one feature at a time. The first feature is no watermark. This means that when you export your videos, they will not contain Submagic branding. The second feature is Auto Captions AI. This allows Submagic to automatically generate captions for your videos. The next feature is free B-rolls and audio. This gives you access to media assets that you can use to improve your videos. After that, you get text-based trimming. This feature allows you to edit your videos by editing the transcript instead of manually cutting clips on a timeline. The next feature is export in 1080p and 30 FPS. The final feature included in the starter plan is the API and integrations with a limit of 10 minutes per month. Below the starter plan, you can also see an optional add-on called Magic Clips. Magic Clips costs an additional $19 per member per month. Once again, this add-on allows you to generate viral clips from up to 10 long-form videos every month using AI. If your content workflow involves turning long videos into short-form content, this add-on may be worth considering. Now let's move to the Pro plan. You can see that Submagic has highlighted the Pro plan as their most popular option, with a note saying that 82% of users pick this plan. The Pro plan is designed for professionals who want to create more impactful shorts using AI. The price of the Pro plan is $39 per member per month. Looking at the usage section, you can see that this plan increases your allowance to 40 videos per month. Each video can now be up to 5 minutes long. The number of AI credits also increases from 3 AI credits to 6 AI credits every month. Just like the starter plan, these credits can be used to generate AI videos and AI images. Now let's go through all of the additional features included in the Pro plan. The first thing to note is that the Pro plan includes everything available in the starter plan. On top of that, the first additional feature is Storyblocks B-rolls and audio. This gives you access to the Storyblocks media library, providing a much larger collection of B-roll footage and audio assets. After that, you get AI hook titles. This feature helps generate attention-grabbing titles that can improve engagement and viewer retention. After that, you get AI Clean Audio. This feature automatically improves the quality of your audio recordings. The next feature is AI Remove Bad Takes and Silences. This allows Submagic to automatically detect and remove mistakes, awkward pauses, and silent sections from your videos. The next feature is AI Translate Captions. This can help translate your captions into different languages, making your content accessible to a larger audience. After that, you get access to a brand kit. A brand kit allows you to maintain consistent colors, fonts, and branding across all of your videos. The final feature listed under the Pro plan is the ability to publish directly to TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. This allows you to distribute your content to multiple platforms directly from Submagic. Just like the starter plan, the Pro plan also offers the Magic Clips add-on. The pricing remains the same at an additional $19 per member per month. Once again, this add-on allows you to generate viral clips from up to 10 long-form videos every month using AI.
Now let's move to the Business Plus API plan. This plan is designed for teams that want to scale their video production. The Business Plus API plan costs $69 per member per month. You can see that this plan allows up to 100 videos per month. Each video can be up to 30 minutes long. The AI credit allowance increases to 15 AI credits every month. Now, let's go through all the additional features included in the Business Plus API plan. The first thing to note is that this plan includes everything available in the Professional plan. The first additional feature is export in 4K and 60 FPS. This allows you to export videos in Ultra HD resolution at a smoother 60 frames per second. The next feature is Create 10 Custom Templates. This allows teams to create reusable templates and speed up content production. After that, you get the ability to add logos and brand assets. This makes it easier to keep your videos consistent with your company branding. The next feature is a custom words dictionary. This helps improve caption accuracy by teaching the platform industry-specific words, brand names, and custom terminology. After that, you receive priority support and rendering. This means your support requests receive faster attention and your video processing jobs are prioritized. The final feature listed under this plan is API and integrations with a limit of 100 minutes per month. Compared to the 10-minute limit available in the starter plan, this is a substantial increase. Just like the previous plans, you can also purchase the Magic Clips add-on for an additional $19 per member per month. Now let's take a look at the Custom plan. The Custom plan is designed for businesses that need a solution tailored to their exact requirements. Instead of a fixed price, you can contact Submagic's sales team directly. The first benefit is custom videos per month. This means the monthly video limit can be adjusted based on your requirements. The second feature is custom minutes per video. This allows you to customize the maximum video duration according to your workflow. The next feature is custom number of members. This means the plan can be scaled according to the size of your team. After that, you get custom Magic Clips limits. This allows businesses to negotiate limits that better match their content production needs. The next feature is unlimited custom templates. Unlike the business plan, which limits you to 10 custom templates, the custom plan removes that restriction. You also get custom API limits. This means API access can be tailored specifically to your organization. The next feature is dedicated customer success. This gives you access to a dedicated team that can help with onboarding and ongoing support. After that, you get advanced security and SSO. This is particularly important for larger organizations that require stricter security controls and single sign-on functionality. Now let's move to the API credits section. If your plan's included API minutes are not enough, Submagic allows you to purchase additional API credit packs. So these were all the pricing plans currently offered by Submagic AI. To get a discount, the first thing you can do is switch to annual billing, as this will offer you up to 41% discount on all the pricing plans. And you can get even more discount by using a coupon code. Select a plan of your choice, and you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you will find the option to enter a coupon code. Type SAVE10, hit Enter, and you can see we have received a 10% discount. If you combine this with the annual discount, it becomes almost a 51% discount. So, this was everything you need to know about Submagic AI pricing plans and discounts available. If you want to know how you can get a discount on Lovable AI, which is an amazing AI website builder, then check out this video right here.